In this video, I'll show you how to install apps on iPhone without Apple ID password. If you're frequently asked with the Apple ID password while you're trying to install any apps on your iPhone, then here is how you actually can disable this feature. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because this really helps me out. Well, so now to disable Apple ID password for App Store, you just need to open up the settings app from your iPhone or iPad and then tap on this Apple ID at the very top right. And under the Apple ID, you just need to scroll down and tap on Media and Purchases and go ahead and tap on Password Settings. Now, once you're here inside the password settings, you just need to turn off the required password. And once you turn off this feature, the last thing that you guys can do is just need to get back to the main settings of your iPhone and then scroll down to the screen time here and then scroll down and tap on content privacy restriction and make sure to enable this feature and then tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. And under this one, if it's selected with the always record, you just need to select don't record and you're pretty much good to go. And from now, you can easily install any apps from the App Store without giving your Apple ID password. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys around and thank you very much for watching.